Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viraj and today we guys are going to learn something about indexing. So Python support indexing. There are two types of indexing. First one, positive, which will start by default with 0 as a value. Negative, which will start by default with -1 as a value. We can implement indexing on data type like string, list, tuple, and etc. Syntax. Let's see the syntax, what exactly it is. Data type, index value. With indexing, we can dump only a value or a single value. So let's see the practical implementation of it. So for example, if I'm having a string s1 which is containing a Python. S1 is a string type of variable which is holding a Python as a value. How this indexing is get implemented internally? Let's see. So if I'm writing a Python 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5 and -6. This is how it get implemented. Let me do a formatting quickly. Okay. So this will be called as negative and this will called as a positive and negative. If I just wanted to print a T from this S1, how I can do that? I can use a positive as well as a negative. So what I can do, I can use a positive 2, which is the index value. This 2 is pointing to the T and let's run this. I can see the T. S1, if I wanted to use a negative, which is going to be -4. We can see the T again. If we do something like 100, this particular maximum the positive can be 0 to 6. 100 is not there. 100 on a 100 index value, there is no value right now. So what it is going to do, it is going to throw an error and we can see that index error, string index out of range, means maximum elements can lie on a 0 to 5th index. 100, there is no index value present and there is no value at all. Similarly, S1 -7. On a 7 there is nothing because -6 is the highest index value, which is a negative. Same error. But if you do the something like -6, I will get a first element which is a P. So this is how we can use the indexing, guys. This is a positive and negative. So positive always start with the 0 and negative always start with the -1, and it will negative always go to the left hand direction and positive will always go to the right hand direction. So that's all for this video, guys. Let's meet you in a slicing video which is going to be next. Thank you. Bye.